Children, now exercise 13.2, fourth question. Let us read the question. If a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, 24 children are there, sweets are distributed. They will get 5 sweets each. They are going to get 5 sweets each. Okay. So, now how many would each get if the number of children is decreased by 4? Okay, 24 children were there. Now, if it is decreased by 4, so how much it will be? 24 minus 4, that is 20 children. When it is 20 children, how much each of them will be getting? When it was 24, each will get 5 sweets. When it is 20, how much they will get? So just read the question and what do you understand? When the number of children increases, the sweets to be given will decrease. When more number of children are there, sweets can't be distributed that much. So sweets distributed will be less. Right? When the number of children increases, sweets given to them decreases. When one is increasing, the other is decreasing. So what proportion? Inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means what you should do? Multiplication. Okay, let us see. So number of children and number of sweets. 24 means they will get 5 sweets each. 4 less means 24 minus 4, it is 20 means we don't know. So I have written a letter A or X or whatever it is. Okay, A I have written. We observe that on increasing the number of children, the number of sweets got by each will be less. So they are inverse proportion. So this formula you can use for inverse proportion when you know that it is inverse proportion. You can use this formula. X1 into Y1 is equal to X2 into Y2. Two quantities, X1 and Y1, two quantities, X2 and Y2 is other quantities. X1 means we can take it as number of children, Y1 means you can take it as sweets. Like that. Okay. Where X1 equal to 24, Y1 equal to 5. X2 equal to number of children 20, Y2 we don't know. Okay. So it is inverse proportion. What you should do? Multiplication. That X1 into Y1 is equal to X2 into Y2. Okay. So we are applying this. 24 into 5 is equal to 20 into A. So how you will find the value of A? That is 20, you will bring it to the denominator, that is 24 into 5 divided by 20 equal to A it will be. Okay, 5 can be cancelled like this. 5 fours are 20, then 6 fours are 24. So answer is equal to 6. Okay, got it? Now we'll go to the next question. Okay, children. Now fifth question. A farmer has enough food to feed 20 animals in his cattle for 6 days. Okay. So he is having sufficient food only for 6 days if it is 20 animals. Okay. So how long would the food last if there were 10 more animals in his cattle? There were 20 animals. If 10 more animals are brought there, then the food will last for how many days is the question. Okay, so let the food will now last for X days. We don't know how many days. So let us write in the tabular column. Okay, number of animals and number of days it will finish. So for 20, it will finish by 6 days. If it is 30 animals, 10 more animals means 20 plus 10. That is 30 animals means for how many days it will last. So when the number of animals is increasing, the days the food will have is decreasing. When one is increasing, the other is decreasing. So it is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means you will do multiplication. Right? So 20 into 6. You are doing 20 into 6 So 20 into 6 you are doing, that is equal to 30 into x here. Okay, now you are going to find the value of x. So what you will do? 30 you will bring it to the denominator. So 20 into 6 by 30, that is equal to 4. You can cancel this 0 and 0. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. You are getting the answer. Got it? So it is inverse proportion. So you did multiplication. If it is direct proportion, you will do division. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question.